If y'all know anything about me, you know I love a good joke. An Easter egg, a prank, all these small fun things make software development so much more pleasant. That said, sometimes they go wrong. And that's what we're here to talk about today. We're going to talk about a fun little Christmas Easter egg that the Ant design team did a few years ago that actually caused many people to lose their jobs. It's terrifying to think something so simple and small could have such wide-reaching impact. It's a good lesson on how important it is to communicate changes when they happen, and even something like a simple, innocent Easter egg can have really big, unforeseen consequences. So let's take a look. Quick shout out to Dead Ocean on Twitter for showing this one to me because I'd never heard about this before, and it's a really crazy story. The Ant design Christmas egg that went wrong. I like that they didn't even say Easter in here because that's another religious word that's controversial. Wow, this was 2018. Still a crazy story. Ant design is a design language that comes with a set of React components that are open sourced by Alibaba's Ant Finance. Think of this as similar to like a Material UI, but it's by Alibaba. One can assume its popularity by seeing the 38,000 stars on GitHub. I'm sure it's way more than that now. Yeah, it's almost 100,000 stars. Big project used by a lot of people. Just 4 minutes past the midnight of Christmas Day, Beijing time, and an issue on the Ant Design GitHub repo started a wave of outcries from the developers who had Ant Design and their dependencies on their production environments, and suddenly found out there was snow on top of their UI buttons, and also changed their titles to ho ho ho. There is snow on top of the buttons. This is not good for production. This Christmas egg, Easter egg, but Christmas themed, was introduced in this commit from one of the main maintainers of the repo. And the author actually left a comment in the commit quoted, "No need to show this in the change log." Now, is Christmas, get month is in this range, and they have this new Christmas tag, and they changed the title to use ho 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 instead of the actual title on Christmas Day. In November, more than a month before the Christmas egg activates, it was already spotted by a developer who created an issue on GitHub. It was responded by another maintainer of Ant who proposed a workaround by overriding the CSS. That's not great, especially when const title equals, this is in the JavaScript code. Good luck writing the CSS override for that. That sounds hellish. The issue became heated with comments after many developers troubled by the behavior of the Christmas egg on Christmas Day had problems in their production environments. Someone claims they lost their job. Others claimed that they were fired as their employer's clients are state-run institutions of China that didn't want American Christmas-themed stuff in their things. The timing is sensitive and unfortunate as local governments in China are cracking down on Christmas celebrations. The Ant design team have pinned 2 issues about the Christmas egg and its workaround in both Chinese and English. Yeah. I think it's a great example of just how scary things can be when you do something seemingly innocent and take control away from developers. And as much as I love Easter eggs, I don't think they should exist in open source software, simply because defying the expectations of your users in an unexpected way, that's not great. Even for a fun little joke, this was pretty dangerous, and the results that we see now are pretty obvious. If you want to hear more about crazy, unexpected disasters from one-off decisions, I'll pin a video in the corner about those. And if you've already seen that and you're not interested, take a look at whatever's below it. YouTube seems to think you'll like it. Appreciate y'all a ton as always. See you in the next one, and happy holidays. Peace, nerds.